Stainless steel. Silent, easy glide, beads help to prevent noise when rolling for a smooth and effortless glide. Flexible sleeve, soft rubber bottom allows the shower rings to securely clip onto the shower rod with ease. Keeps rod scratch-free. These strong and durable shower hooks come as a set of 12 and help to protect your shower rod from damage. Easy to install, Flex shower rings feature flexible hooks for easy curtain attachment, making installation pain-free. Original design. Total satisfaction. Our team of international designers brings thought, creativity and original design to everyday items. Umbra products are made to last using high-quality materials. Don't be fooled by copycat products. Choose Umbra and get the original. If you're not completely satisfied for any reason, contact us within 30 days and we will fix it or issue a full refund. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. Honest review. I bought some cheap rolling hooks I've been unhappy with. I bought these thinking they'd roll better, and wow, so much smoother and quieter. I have a standard size, thickness, of bar and it definitely rolls on the attached wheels unlike some comments here. The white part just below the gap bends, allowing things to hook in. It holds well and so far I am impressed. Now hopefully the white rubbery part doesn't start growing mold. We will see with time.